Hey guys, John here. I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys what another easy top-down desk setup looks like. I'm at my in-laws house and they had this spare desk in one of their rooms. So I decided to do another setup in here so that I could do some recording while I'm away from home. What you'll need is any kind of desk. You'll need a power outlet somewhere at the bottom of a window. The window is where you're going to be mounting the top-down setup. And you'll need a window that has a window sill because this is going to be where you're clamping your desk lamp. From there, this is a desk mount tripod. So it's meant to mount a camera on top. What I use it for is a little bit different. I have a magic arm right here, which attaches to my camera, and then you get a top-down shot. So it's super simple. The nice thing about mounting it on the windowsill is that if I'm taking a shot on the table and the table shakes for whatever reason, the camera won't shake. So what do you guys think about my setup away from home? Let me know down in the comments.